Alright, time for end of the year Christmas presents from eBay. Let's see what I bought for myself. This is going to be it for the year. I think a couple days left. Alright, first thing. Probably a book, real thin. Let's see what we got here. Key about this is getting into it without screwing up what's inside the package. I think I sharpened my knife recently. Half sharp. Man, more layers. Trying to protect it. Alright, what do we got? Oh, there's a book in here. Oh, there we go. Harley Rider's Handbook. 61 and 74 cubic inch. That means it goes before 52. It's got a wide glide on it, so that means a panhead. There we go, 1950. There's the part number right there. See that? 1950 panhead Rider's Handbook. So, what's nice about handbooks, they give really nice pictures of what a Harley looks like. Both sides. Pretty slick, huh? Look at those. You can get a top view like you're sitting on it too, almost. Got all your specifications in there. All the stuff you're supposed to do. Yeah. Stuff nobody does. This is an operation book, it's not a service book. So it just tells you how to do light duty stuff. Stuff you're supposed to do but for yourself at home. Not actually service work. So, you know, doing changing fork oil, or adjusting cables, whatever they're doing over here. Front wheel adjustment, adjusting your front brakes. That's not service work, that's just maintenance work. So it's in the handbook. Do your ignition timing, how your timing chest looks like. Remember, this is only maintenance, not service. It's like your motor already. Ooh, they even got the hand clutch foot shift. That means it's 52. Oh, it's a 52 supplement. Look at that. That's pretty slick. Got a 52 supplement. I'll come back to that. So there's your primary, how you adjust your clutch. Take your clutch out and clean it. Pull your 45 apart. Oh, it's a panhead book. Excuse me. There you go. There's a 1937 knucklehead sitting there, probably. It's early. It's a Springer fender, 18-inch rim, early tire. It's definitely a 30s picture there. Then you got your panhead over 49. You know it's 49 because it's got black sliders on it. So first year they have black sliders. All the other years they put polished sliders. So there you go. There's where you have a rear stand. Oh, there's a 36 rear stand right there too. 36.7 to use that stand. So that might be a 36 knucklehead sitting there. You never know. I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't. So it's got the big brake on the back, so it'd be late 36 or 37. In case you have one of those you're restoring, that's what they look like. And you got your 49 panhead. Got all the factory tools you're supposed to have and use. That's how your star hub's all taken apart, clean it, put it back together and adjust it. It's all stuff you're supposed to do. This is general maintenance, stuff you're supposed to do at home in your garage, you know, not real service work. Yeah, you rebuild half the bike. Here's the fork oil going on the bike. Remember, that's not service work, it's maintenance. There you go. Oh, the headlight fell apart. Wiring. Now, if you're restoring the bike, these are great pictures here because this shows you what the bike looks like assembled. Service books and parts books do not show these views. They show you all the clips are supposed to be on your front fork here, on the neck. There's no other pictures that do this. Sometimes in a service book they'll give you a big picture like this that shows it half apart, which helps you, but this is a nice close-up view showing exactly what it's supposed to look like. How it's all rooted. That's nice. If you're storing a 49 panhead, that's how it's supposed to be. So it even shows a small early front fork here, which has the studs back here with 3/8 bolts. They went to 7/16 bolts in there later on, like 53 or 4. The first few years though had studs in the back. They don't have that in the parts book. I know that because I have those early trees on my bike. Here's your wiring schematic for your whole bike. Here, not much there. See, it's pretty simple. Remember, this is just maintenance, not service. So, anyway, those are pretty nice books. This looks like an original, but if it isn't, if it's a copy, it's a really, really nice copy from way old. I think it's probably genuine. Here's your supplement right here. Reproduction would not give you a supplement. So this is for your foot shift. Foot shift came out in 52, so it's got a 50A or 30A, page 30A. So I guess it tells you what page it's supposed to be in. So here's your mouse trap and how to adjust it. So there you go. Oh, it was painted black too. I didn't see that before. I've never seen one painted black. Look at that. They're supposed to be black. Pull your shift lever. Oh, they even got a height on how high it's supposed to be up. I've never seen that dimension before. I just put them on until they don't hit the gas tank. Here's how you adjust your clutch. They even give you some dimensions here where your shift lever is supposed to be located, I guess. So how to adjust your shift linkage. So there you go. Supplement. Page 30. So it goes on page 30. That's exactly where it was at too, on page 30. See, nobody would do that when they're packing this stuff up. They would just shove it in there and any page would fit. This one here, they actually put it where it belongs. It was in, you couldn't even see it, like that. Only the factory did stuff like that. Nobody younger than 50 would ever do that. I do because I'm over 50. All right, nice piece. I like that. So I got a 49 panhead and a 50 and a 51, so that's good stuff for me to put the bike together. Store it. Good deal. So that's how you get that information. Real good stuff.